Kani gade ka Patisi TV.
Hadian bon tali ki film ki belapan mi da ki kenhon jong ka Bollywood ki balawan ring dor hakani kari luam kasi jantia. Menta sa kawai ka film ka bala ai kerteng Brunie ka jing ring dor yakani ka film ru hagi babon ki benta ki dai hangni hari kasi jantia. Ka film ka badan ya ka jing thau jing mot ba uksau dai ulok bayajan tam bat ubriu. Ya kani ka film la direct da Suraj Chitre kat ba ki ting shop ki puran ki bahkmat jong kani ka film ki kentop yo rayo as bakhirta bat ka mansi athavale. Hakani ka film la perwan dor ya ka jing tu khana shapang uksau bala ai kerteng Brunie ha ka jing em jong ki shijor ki shukurem ki bamdan khon don kti haki khandiat sngi bala la kani ka kan hon kala le ring dor ya kani ka film ha ka snong dan thlan bat la yathu ba kumba prapo na ka shispa ya kani ka film la ring dor hakani ka nong ba Shillong bat ha Sohra habakran bat ka Patisi TV u director jo kani ka film Suraj Chitre ulai thu ba hakani ka film on saparung ru ya ka wei ka jing ruai jang ka kan hon tam ba pau menta hakani ka jela ka samasal.
First thing, the lovely locations, which we were trying to shoot this film in foreign countries, but when my executive producer, he got some pictures of here, and we couldn't even imagine that so much beautiful place is in India as well. So from the day I saw these pictures, I fell in love with Shillong. So my line producer Abhishek, I told him that whatever happens, I need to shoot here anyhow. So this is why we got here. Yes, definitely. In fact, we started with the music, which comes first, with the kit, the rock Summer Salt band. Yes, we started with him because we heard these songs in Mumbai for Rock On 2. After that, again, one of the reasons we fell in love with the music as well. So again, I spoke with my Abhishek, line producer, and I said, anyhow, I want to meet him and we want to use one of his songs because since we are shooting these heavenly places, we wanted this countryside music. So we got him on board. And then he made a very lovely music of this, and we used this Khasi people also because we are so much, we got to know about this Khasi culture. It's so wonderful. So we wanted them to also get involved in our film. So there are so many scenes which we have used Khasi people, the culture, the locations, everywhere they are. In fact, there are two Khasi songs. One is the title song, the title montage where the film starts. In the Khasi song is the music, background music with the our lead protagonist and the dog. They travel through all the Shillong to Cherrapunji, and the music, is in background. The second song is with the rock band, which talks about the culture of Khasi people, of the Khasi people goodness, about this earth, about their living styles, about the food and the specialities. This film is basically based on a relation between dogs and humans. For the first time, from dogs' perspective, we call dogs our man's best friend. But are they really our best friend? In this film, we have been shown a lot of emotions, love, romance, first time in between dogs and the human relationship. We are shooting so much, exploring this whole Meghalaya so much, and we are showing this beautiful locations with the stories beautiful, the actors are beautiful, everything, it's basically a package, and we're expecting high, cause it's really connected to humans. This film is going to be a very emotional film. So obviously we are expecting little more. The message for Meghalaya people would be like, please keep on loving us as much love you have given us this, and keep supporting us. And if you continue the love and support, we will keep on making films, more and more films. We'll go back to Bollywood, and we'll also request people to come and shoot over here because of the cooperation which you give. Keep on giving the cooperation, and I'm telling you, in coming years, Shillong, Meghalaya will be the next prime location for shooting Indian Bollywood films.
The way we are exploring actually the whole place, we're taking the drone shots, we are making sure that we do justice to this place, we show them exactly how it is, and I'm sure after watching the film people would love to come here and have some
I think
holidays.
85-90% of the film we are shooting in Shillong, so we have explored everything like
Yes,
Shillong,
yes. And,
Guwahati,
Cherrapunji and the falls and Elephant Falls or everything, and then even right now right here it's like, so we are going to make sure that we show Shillong, Meghalaya properly to everybody, and I'm sure once they see it they would love it actually.
Actually, 1.5 years back I directed a music video. It is releasing on this 20th. That I shot in Meghalaya. Times Music is releasing. This is a very different kind of music video which I shot, and that has been shot in Meghalaya. Beautiful locations, and that time I came here and I saw the location and beauty and they are my friends. They said we want to shoot a film based on dogs and we need a beautiful location. So I came here and we set up the film with really help of Mr. Alan West. He helped us a lot, and that's why we are here and we are doing the movie.
Way na girang ba kasi ubalay dan benta hakaban betinanti kani kan hon sna film uday ba Alan West kharkungor ubalong ru way na girang ba ubatre na kabenta ban kan tiyo yi kam jo kai parthai hakani ke jilla.
The rest of India are thinking very negative about Meghalaya and Northeast. In terms of they think about Meghalaya beyond 5 it's shutters are down, guns are, people are moving with guns up and down. So that's the misconception of mainland India about Northeast, about Shillong. When project like this come, it's an opportunity for us to clarify, to show to the mainland India that we are not like that. I think these guys had come here, had realized that we are not bad. A lot of movies being shot in Switzerland, in Norway, in Scotland, but we also have such beauty
Lot
here.
of things.
So it's a win-win situation for them and for us also. I had committed myself because of one reason, that whoever, be it a project, be it a person, willing to promote our place, I think it's my duty to give my 100% inputs.
Definitely.
So I'm not doing it myself, but I believe it has happened in the past that any place that a movie has been shot, there is always an increase of inflow of reasonable, responsible tourists. So I believe that we had Rock On, which was doing well, and I believe if this movie is not very high budget like Rock On, but I think it'll do justice in terms of promoting our place.
Kani Gadega Batisi TV.